میں آج یہ لوگوں کو بتاتا رہا ہوں, لوگوں کو سمجھ نہیں آتی, تو یہ میں آج آپ کو ایک پکچر دکھا رہا ہوں.
Childhood stunting is basically when your height is less than 2% of the mean of the population. So you are in the lower 2 percentile in height as compared to the rest of the population. In Pakistan, what our major cause of stunting is basically malnutrition. The mother, before even being pregnant, is already still quite malnourished, underweight. Malnourished babies born of malnourished mothers. So this way the cycle just keeps going on and on and on. So basically your kids are not as smart as they should be, okay? They're not as fit as they should be. And they are at increased risk of chronic diseases, non-infectious chronic diseases. So not only is our population, the younger population, at immediate risk of infectious diseases and poor development, but in the long term, they're also at increased risk of non-infectious diseases.
According to one estimate, Pakistan loses about $7.6 billion every year, or about 3% of its GDP, due to malnutrition, which is primarily linked to stunting. Another estimate suggests that about a 1% loss in adult height due to child stunting is associated with a 1.4% loss in economic productivity. In economic policy circles and general debate, sometimes you have this view that you need to invest in hard investments. From an engineering perspective, build roads, bridges, buses. The latest reviews which have estimated the benefit cost ratios of investing in maternal and child health services targeted towards the early life period have shown a large return of, you have a 30 to 1 benefit cost ratio, which means that if Pakistan as a society were to invest 1 rupee in these services, you can yield 30 rupees back. And none of these other investments, we're talking about CPEC and stuff, it will be hard for them to really compete on these returns.
آپ کو پتہ ہونا چاہیے آج ہم کدھر کھڑے ہیں, اور انشاءاللہ ہم یہ کیسے اپنا راستہ بدلیں گے. جدھر ہم چلے آ رہے ہیں اور ہم یہاں پہنچ گئے ہیں, جو زندگی کی ریس ہے اس میں شروع سے ہی پیچھے رہ گئے ہیں, وہ 21ویں صدی میں آگے نہیں جا سکتے.